afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Convert Draft Schedule to Optimal Schedule that Meets Stakeholder Requirements. It is the sixth session of Microsoft Project 2010 series. This series is being conducted by Mr. B. Sai Prasad, Senior Manager, Learning and Development, Cognizant Technology Solutions India Private Limited. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Sai.
Thank you. So hello everybody, so I welcome you all for the session 6 of this Project 2010 series. So the topic for today's webinar is how do we convert the draft schedule which we created in the last 5 sessions into an optimal schedule to meet the stakeholders' requirements. So for the benefit of all participants, let's quickly recap the first 5 sessions so that we have a continuity on today's session. On session 1 we talked about the framework of Project 2010 and how the data is organized in the MPP file. In session 2, we talked about the different types of calendars, how do we customize it, how do we set exceptions, and what are the different types of calendars that project uses in order to build a schedule. In session 3, we focused on creating the work breakdown structure, identifying the activities, and setting the dependencies. We also made use of different views like relationship diagram, network diagram, and the Gantt chart to validate the task dependencies. In session 4, we discussed on how to set up different resources in Project 2010, which can be work, material, or cost. We focused on budget resources also, how we can try to validate the bottom-up estimates with our budget. In session 5, we focused on how do we assign these resources in terms of our activities so that the project total cost as well as the duration is calculated based on the resource availability in terms of people, material, and cost. So in today's session, we are going to convert the draft schedule which we created in the last session to meet our customers or stakeholders' requirements. So when we talk about stakeholders, it could be both internal and external. When we say internal, it could be the management, it could be the project manager, or the team members also. If it is external, it could be the sponsor, it could be the upstream and the downstream projects, project managers who have some tight deadlines with respect to your projects. So key takeaways of today's webinar.